That can mean only one thing. Stand by. Me and the Mumblesman. I got ready to, and then it run me out.
I know you said you want to get a ride over. Are you serious? You're going to get run over?
Nah.
You ought to.
Okay, here we go. Well, I've been here 20 minutes. I dug one bottle cap looking thing. I ain't sure it's a bottle cap. It favors a bottle cap. And that's all I heard. I see Denny dig a couple things. He's behind me. But at that moment, it's bleak. Stand by. Well, I'm pecker deep now. It's been pecker deep for 30 minutes maybe. Nothing. I find that hard to believe. This beach had as many people on it as I've ever seen since I've lived near it. In 33 years. Stand by. Well, we're getting ready to find out whether we got the mumbles or not. We'll find out right now. How's it making out, Mumblesman?
Not too good. Got a few pennies and a quarter.
I got no coins. I got one piece of bottle cap looking thing. That's it.
It seems to be a little while ago.
And we got a target. A shaky 92. I see nothing. It looks like a 92. Oh, I see it. Can you see it? Fingernail clippers of all the things. Well, I'm on the tickets today. Now we got a shaky 56. Looks like a bullet casing. Pretty solid 62. Might be a pull tab. Might be a nickel. It's shaky now though. Shaky sound now. A couple of scoops off of it. Don't sound very good. But still chirping at 62. I guess it would be in China. Stand by a minute. 62. As I suspected. Well, we're going up 5 digits now. We've got 67. Probably a red one. We got it. Let's see. In China, anyway. Oh, I see a ring and a scoop. It looks like a yellow taquito too. It ain't one of them new age crappers. That's what it looks like now though. Stand by. Well, I'm pretty sure my 81-year-old eyes saw 14K inside. 14K. Good googa mooga. Stand by. Now we got another 67. But it's jumping up a little bit into 70, 71, 67, 71. That could be junk though. Yeah, I don't know. Third scoop. Let's see if we get it. Nope. Stand by. Whatever it is, it's junky now. Starts right there. Runs clear out here. Like 2 foot. We're gonna pass on that. Well, I'm headed home now. I'm gonna hunt pecker deep all the way home. About 5, 6 blocks maybe. Maybe 7. Stand by. I'm hunting in beach sensitive today. Sensitivity at 90. 5 tones, square. Bottle caps, wherever they max out at 5 or 9, I don't remember. Iron, I think 5 or 6. I've listened to a lot of iron today, I can tell you that. Now Doug, I got one what's it we got to crack open.
That's a real crab.
Stand by. Well, I lied. It was so bleak out there. About halfway home, I just come back in here with the shallow. This little drop off right here. I'm gonna hunt here till I see the Mumblesman, and I'm going home. That's right. Pay attention. A ball bearing. You never know. This is the other one that I thought might have been a bottle cap, but it's a little bit heavy to be a bottle cap. Might be 5 cents. I'll take it inside and clean it up a little. Well, there it is. I believe it to be a nickel, but it has nothing I can identify it with. $14K. Okie dokie. Hope to see you tomorrow. Land of nada tomorrow.